Hey, so video for the Nancy Kerr song, Fragile Water. Okay, so just a short one on the finger picking style that you hear in the introduction, and I assume that goes on throughout the whole song. I haven't listened, I have, but not recently, so I'm going to have to listen to the rest of it, but I just wanted to get this because it just struck me. So you've got a G chord, and you can see it's a 4-finger G chord, yeah? And the first thing you got, so fret a G chord, and then use your first finger, move it to do a hammer-on the D string, 2nd fret. So open D string, hammering on 2nd fret, and then you pluck open G. Yeah? So, and you can see I'm plucking with my thumb and first finger. And then we've got traverse picking. Okay? The thumb is going to alternate between the low E string and the open G string. Yeah? So it's going from the notes G to G. And that's what the thumb's doing. And the fingers on the top 2 strings, yeah, first finger is going to take the B string, second finger is going to take the top E string. So after we've got our hammer on, I did it all with the thumb then. You can do it all with the thumb, it's up to you, because I naturally did it then. So you got thumb once the traverse picking starts, thumb, thumb, yeah, 6th string, 3rd string, and then second finger plucks 1st string, top E string. So thumb, thumb, 2nd finger. Thumb goes back to low E string, and then the 1st finger plucks the B string. Yeah. So one more thing to add to that is the thumb on the G string again, yeah? So one and 2 and 3 and 4. And the thumb is always doing the beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then once it gets looping, you know, bar after bar of it, once you get looping, you've basically got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Can you see that? Can I move like this? Is that better? So you got thumb doing low E string, first finger doing the B string, thumb doing the G string, second finger doing the top E string. It's just that. Thumb, first, thumb, second, thumb, first, thumb, second. But the emphasis is on the and of the 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So it's on the and of the 2 and the and of the 4, yeah? So the emphasis is your second finger picking that... sorry, I can't get my whole, in. But there you go. Guitar's more important, isn't it? So 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Thumb first, thumb second. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's a simple, traverse picking pattern. Thumb first, thumb second. But it sounds a bit more complex because we've got syncopation. What is syncopation? When the accent is on an and rather than a beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. and then it stops because you keep getting that phrase, don't you? The hammer-on phrase. So you've got, it starts with that phrase. And then you do 1, 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you keep doing your simple Travis picking, a thumb first, thumb second, and then you end with the thumb plucking the G string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then you put in that hammer-on bit again. Okay, great. So that's the intro. Hope that's okay.